It's a really great feeling to be in one of the top law schools in India. It's like a dream come true, and I couldn't have pulled this off without the support and mentorship from Foosden. Right now, I'm just really excited to see what the next 5 years have in store for me. I feel that a really important part of your CLAT preparation is working on your English, your comprehension skills, your vocabulary, your reading speed, because all these things help you to attempt the paper more efficiently, in turn saving time which you can allot or use for the sections which are hard for you or which you feel are time taking. And along with this, constant work for current affairs and the quantitative section is a good way to prepare. In my case, I didn't exactly have to juggle between, school studies and CLAT preparation because I started preparing for CLAT seriously after my boards ended. I opted for the crash course from Fusion. But if I had to juggle between both, I would take out around 1.5 or 2 hours daily for CLAT preparation other than my school studies. You need to give approx 1 hour for English, you're reading the newspapers, current affairs, and all the other things. Other than that, the leftover 1 hour you can give or divide between sections, which you can work on constantly, such as half an hour for maths, half an hour for logical, or whatever suits you best. Fuzrin used to provide us with a weekly schedule. The schedule consisted of, 2 lectures per day of around 1.5 hours each, regular assignments, weekly mocks, and all this left me with time to, analyze and check in which sections or in what areas am I lacking, and the time to brush up on them. And I feel that's a really simple way to keep on progressing. Mocks are a really important part of any student's CLAT preparation. They prepare you for the final day, for the final exam, and they're also a really good way to, reduce the anxiety that students generally feel when attempting any competitive exam. Other than this, when you keep on giving mocks, you slowly start to realize the pattern in which you attempt the paper, and in turn get to know which pattern works for you best. Fuzrin has been immensely helpful and supportive throughout my CLAT preparation journey. And even in such tough times, they've always given their best to provide us with quality education. Also, what I feel is a huge plus point from Fuzrin is that they don't just tell you what to study, but they actually help you prepare, they actually help you develop the kind of skill set that you'll need to crack the exam and the kind of skill set that you'll need in college, which all in all I feel is a really great thing. So, thank you.